The September stock sell-off continues here in the United States this Monday afternoon, while the U.S. dollar remains strong versus other currencies as coronavirus cases surge and additional restrictions are expected in Europe. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, it's more of the same. The euro dollar, that's where we begin this Monday afternoon. That sees the downside prevail. The British pound US dollar pair sees the downside prevail, and that's in focus this afternoon. The immediate trend remains down, and the momentum, that's strong. Short positions below 128.70 are favored, with targets at 127.20 and 126.70 in extension. Moving on, the US dollar Japanese yen pair, that's in a period of rebound, while the Bitcoin dollar intraday does see the relative strength index being oversold. The pivot point stands at 10,574, while over in precious metals, gold intraday does see the downside prevail. The relative strength index is bearish and calls for further decline. Short positions below 1911.25 are favored, with targets at 1881 and 1865 in extension. This while silver intraday does see 23.67 expected.